Hello and welcome to the Open News, the weekly show where we cover all things open source and tech. In today's episode we have some really interesting stories for you. We have everything from Chrome OS adding the ability to run Linux apps soon, to Ubuntu making data collection for upgrading users opt-in. All that and more right now on Linux Lounge. Well, first up we have this. Chrome OS will soon let you run Linux virtual machines. Well, this is great news. Recent commitments to the Chrome OS source code suggest Google is getting ready to introduce support for Linux programs, or possibly support for Linux virtual machines. Now this is fantastic as Chrome OS currently has rather lacking software support. It should give support for thousands of existing programs and hopefully make Chrome OS a more viable option as an OS. Which is great because I think it's got plenty going for it already. This should be a better option than the current options for running Linux programs on Chrome OS such as Crouton, but really I guess we'll just have to see where this one goes. Well, up next we have this. Ubuntu will let upgraders opt in to data collection in 18.04. Well, last week I covered that Ubuntu planned to collect data in Ubuntu 18.04, but the question still remains. What of users upgrading to 18.04 from a previous version such as 16.04? Well, it's been recently announced that users upgrading to Ubuntu 18.04 will need to manually opt into data collection. Now, this doesn't make the whole situation acceptable in my eyes. However, it would prevent a situation similar to Windows 10 where you had a load of users upgrading that were completely unaware about the data collection being done. Now, as long as users aren't tricked into this data collection from a fresh install, this might turn out alright-ish in the end, even if it is still wrong to collect data like this. Well, finally we have this. Ubuntu software will soon let you install beta and bleeding edge snap apps. Indeed, the default Ubuntu Software Center will soon allow you to change the channel you're getting your snap apps from. You can choose from beta, bleeding edge and stable, which is great because, more options for the user. If you want your software nice and stable, you can have that. If you want it closer to the bleeding edge, you can also have that. Now, this seems very unlike Ubuntu to me. It is, after all, supposed to be the stable and user-friendly distro. But I must say, it does seem to be unlike Ubuntu in a good way. Well, that's all we have time for today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and press that little bell icon to get notified of new uploads. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.